In this video we're going to look at making animations, and we'll use the electron transport one as an example. Now it's going to be easiest for me to show you my finished animation and talk through what I've done rather than make them one at a time, because the video would take too long and it wouldn't be very interesting. So I've got the electron transport chain here. This is from the my resources file that I used earlier. And in this particular one, I just have to tap the screen to move on, and then I'm having a magic move transition, which will move it to the next one. So let's have a look and see what happens when we press play. It just shifts to the top, and then the words come in. So we're now on this slide here. Again, we are going to use magic move to shift, and now we have electrons here. So the electrons will appear. Oops. And so the electrons will appear. So these will the electrons, and they will move. So you can drag them. They have multiple stages. So there's two electrons moving up. Then the electron carrier will move as well into the photosystem, and the electrons will move into the thing. So by using a sequence of events, you can make these happen. Now you want the electrons to move at the same time, so you will use with build one. So down here, you don't want on click, you want things to happen pretty much at once. Same here, you want it to flow rather than having to press buttons all the time. So we just go after build 3. So once this one has finished, then this will move, and then this one will happen after this, after the electron carrier has moved in. So let's have a look and see what that looks like. So it's going to get it, it's in there, and then it's done. Then we use a magic move to here. Now here we are slightly different. So we've got a new text, and we've got some hydrogen ions because they're going to be pumped across the membrane. So now we have our electron carrier. The first thing it's going to do, this electron carrier is going to move. It's going to move over here, and it's going to move with the electrons. Afterwards, the electron carrier is going to go back, and the electrons are going to move into the electron carrier. So let's have a look and see what that looks like in the preview. It delivers it, it goes and fetches some more. Then the third one here, next one, so the electrons are here now, get a new text. The electrons will move, so they both move together down here. Then as a result, the hydrogen ions are being pumped through the membrane, and then the electrons move to the next electron carrier. So let's have a look. And then finally, we have our electron carrier here, which will move across with the groups, with these electrons appearing. They're being photo activated, and then the electrons move to replace, and the electron carrier moves back. So let's have a look and see what that looks like. They move in there, that one goes back. So that is a view of how I've built this, and feel free to try it yourself.